Welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA video. I'm going to be diving into XRP today. We're currently looking at the smaller time frame, so we're on the 4 hour right now, and I basically just wanted to get into what I think XRP is doing. So, having a little bit of a more zoomed in perspective, we can see here that XRP has this descending level of resistance, okay, and this horizontal level of support right now. Okay, so technically what I think we're doing is we came down to this low from this high here, okay, at 42 cents, I believe that is. Yeah, 42 cents. Okay, we came back from that low, broke out from resistance, met a high, and right now we're potentially retracing back down to this area for support. Okay, because we've broke out of this high and we haven't back tested it for support yet, and we had this big impulsive move up where you got a bit extended from these EMAs, and right now you're being dragged back down to EMAs and to previous resistance to find support. Okay, so for me, we are in a technical target right now, 242 cents, okay, on the 4 hour, because you've got this descending triangle, okay, and you're currently looking to lose support. So if we get a close below 47 cents in the next 4 hour candle, you can look for a short opportunity down to 42 cents. Okay, and that is, I think that's about a 10% drawdown, 10 to 11%. Yeah, it's an 11% drawdown. And what you'll be doing is, as I said, you came up from this low. Okay, you came up, you made a new high than this high, and then you came into resistance. You came back to support on the 4 hour 20, and you broke out. But since breaking out, you haven't back tested this high. Okay, just like when you broke out here, you came back for support. Look where you also found support. You also found support on the previous high. So when you do break out and form a new high, you normally come back to support on the old one. So right now what we've done is broken out and haven't come back to support on the old one. Okay, so this is the previous high before us, and right now we're just getting this retracement to that high. Okay, so 42 cents is a key area for me for us to go long on. Not financial advice, guys. Okay, I could be completely wrong. And we could be looking to break out here, and we do get a close in this, and we come up and tackle. If you tackle through this this descending level of resistance, if we do tackle through this resistance right now and say we come up and break through some point here and do something like this, then my downside target is invalidated, and you're looking to retrace basically back up to 55 cents. Okay, because that is a possibility also. But these descending triangle patterns that coil up like this, they do tend to have technical targets and break down, higher percentage breakdowns to their lower targets. Okay, another thing that really ties up here with this 42 cent I keep going on about is the fibs. Okay, so when we get a fib on from this high to this low, XRP likes to go to the 702 retracement. Okay, and you can see that the 702 sits on this high at 42 cents and 65. Okay, so potentially we're just literally going to be coming back down to the 702. Okay, back from support, broke out from resistance, coming back to retest the previous swing high, with a 10% drawdown at 42 cents on the 702 for continuation. Now, another thing that sort of ties up with this 702 retracement, if we go to the daily here and have a look, if XRP is in this sort of corrective phase and it does lose this descending triangle, and it does lose this, okay, and comes down to the 702. The 702 is going to be where the 20 is creeping up, and we could run into the 702 as support in the daily 20 EMA and get your continuation back up to retest these highs that we've just put in. Okay, so for me, the daily 20 is one to watch out for. As that creeps up, okay, you're going to be coming up to that 42 cent area. Within the 4 hour time frame, what we was looking at here, okay, is the 42 cents. So what I'm looking at, again, just to get this fib back on quickly, sorry, what am I doing, retracing to this low. Okay, what I'm looking at is a potential, you've got an A, you've got a B, and right now you're looking for your C wave back down to this previous swing high. Okay, retesting that as support, and then getting your continuation back up through these fibs. Okay, and that would be the bullish scenario for XRP, and within doing so, you can see that from this low where you've actually broke out, what you could potentially be doing is holding an ascending level of support here, where you've got support from here, support here. Okay, if you do come down and hold this support line here, then you're building even stronger a stronger line of strength, basically. So that's a key thing to watch out for here for XRP. Potentially, I think, what was I looking at on the daily? I think there was a pattern I was looking at on the daily. Oh no, it was on the 4 hour. Potentially we could also be in some sort of it could be a small bull flag, to be fair. If you look at the daily time frame here, we're sort of coiling up in some sort. It could be a small bull flag, and if it was a bull flag, I think the technical targets for me would be let me have a look. What's going on? Gosh, I just want that. I want the trend line. Sorry. Okay, if we do come back in something like that, and we are coming back in something like this, where you're coming down like this, if we come back for support and break out and come back up here, okay, holding again, yeah, it's the 42 cents. It's the 42 cent mark. I'm looking at 42 cents. Okay, I'm breaking this descending level of resistance. Okay, it's all about, you know, coming down to that 42 cents, coming up and breaking this. Okay, because it's resistance. This is currently our resistance line. We need to break above that again to get our continuation. So that's just another thing to look out for. If it is a bull flag and we do get the breakout, you're looking at a target from there to there, and you could see XRP potentially be going up to 65, 66 cents. Okay, and if you zoom out on the weekly, you know, you'd be getting back above previous support levels as resistance. So that again, it's a bit of hopium there for you, okay? You know, but I do think there's a little leg left in XRP, and as I said, as long as you come down and hold that 42 cent mark, okay, and don't close anywhere lower below it, you're looking at your fifth impulsive wave to the upside, of which I think you'd be reaching the 0618 on this retracement. So from this low on the weekly to this high, which you basically fell from, okay, so you fell from this high, and now we're retracing back up to this high. You can see that I think the technical wave target again would be, as I said, XRP likes going to the 702. So you have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 pullback, and a wave 5 explosive move up to the 702. Or I think the 618 is quite conservative at 59 cents, because you'll be running back into this area of previous support that you could now turn into resistance and come back for a larger correction. Okay, so that's basically my update for XRP. I'm looking to go short here. 10% short down to 41 cents, 42 cents, okay, and looking to hold that. And you basically, again, look on the weekly, you're holding, you've broke out of this double bottom, met your technical target, and now you're potentially retracing back down to this previous resistance and support on the weekly. And what you'll be doing, if you do come down and hold that as support and start to work your way up, okay, you can see that XRP would be in a larger ascending sort of triangle target, with an ascending level of support, something like this. You know, you could be coming up and forming this even bigger ascending triangle, but we'll get into that if XRP holds. And currently that's a big potential here for XRP. Okay, so we want to hold 42 cents. If we lose 42 cents, okay, for me, what I think we should be looking for, you know, if we do come down and lose 42 cents and hit our heads on that, I think a retracement to somewhere along this ascending level of support. I can't give you an exact area because the price is continuously going up, but look, you can see you had support here, support in this area, a few wicks. If you do lose 42 cents, this is the area, the next area, or the last line of the sand for me that I think XRP would be looking to bounce from. Okay, so that's my downside targets there as well. I think it's this trend line here. And looking for support on that if 42 cents is lost. But ideally right now, nice little pullback, get some support, and a further breakout for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory onto higher targets, and retesting previous support and turn it to resistance for a larger correction. Okay, so that's my update for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, from Chart Nerd TA, peace out.